Alright everybody, this is G with RVing with G, and we have the 4200 dual fuel generator that I am going to attempt to find and replace the jets. But as you can see deep inside here, it is a cluster jam of what's what, I don't know. So here's something that I figured out earlier, is that this is, I guess, our oil drain. I haven't needed to use it yet because I just put the old oil container under here and drained it. So yeah, so this is a fancy oil drain. It tucks away right there. This I'll put out of the way. Forgive me on my video skills. I am holding some stick of a tripod that we'll put down later, but I have removed these screws. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Well, let's just say damn near 20 screws, and we're going to pry this off here in a minute. So let me set you down and take out the last couple screws and see if this cover comes off, because I don't know how the hello you're going to get to what I would think that's the carburetor and change this out. So let's get cracking. I'm going to put you on pause and take that cover off. Okay, here goes. Wow. Okay, I took the cover off, but I still can't get to any more of the frickin' carburetor. How does one do this? So that was a waste of time. I don't know what's next. There's some big bolts right here and here and here, but I don't see that this comes loose at all from that. Oh, now there's two more up here. If this is how you have to go to change out the jets, it's not worth it. I can't find it. I can't figure it out. I don't know if I can take this cover off. Yeah. So the biggest Allen wrench I have, it's a metric. Gosh darn it. It's not the right size. All right, let me go see if I can, oh, maybe it's a 6. Oh, it's a 6. Nice. So the cover was 5 and this is 6. I just don't know if this is where we need to go. So let me pause this and we'll take this off.